So like is to extract a part of the string match. Okay, searching the match in the string. So select name. Okay, comma, select name from Titanic dataset. Okay, where name like I am using string match. Okay, if Mr. is there in the string, then fetch those names only. Okay, so this is the format. Okay, guys, where name like, so we'll give unpercent. Unpercent means it will a location for a character. So any characters before Mr. and any characters after Mr. Okay, so replace the characters, we'll give the ampersand. Okay, from okay, select name from Titanic dataset where name like Mr. So all Misters it will fetch. Okay, correct. So these are all Misters. So this percentage is for any number of characters before Mr. and this percentage is any characters before Mr. dot. Okay. So for example, if you want to search all names which are having misses, then give the misses, then you will get all misses. Okay. So like is used to search a pattern in the string. Mr., Mrs. And if you search master, so all children will come now. Okay, so like this we can use the like. Okay, and if you want to start, if you want to display all numbers which start with BO, so here I am not given any percentage. That means string should start from the BO and end with any number of characters, any characters, but it should start with BO. Okay, so let us see the output. So these are the names which are starting with the BO. Right, guys? And the same thing I will do for ending also. So it should start with anything and end with on. Okay. So let us see. So Thompson, Allen, Goranson, Clinton, Pennington. Okay. These are the all names which are ending with on. Right, guys? Are you following? So if you give percentage sign in the beginning, so it can start with any characters, but it should with end with on. Okay. If you give BO here and percentage here, it should start with BO and end with any character. Right? Now I want to search in this how many broads are there. Okay. Name having the broad. Okay. Only one guy is there. Guys, if you see Mrs. John Broadley is there. Okay, only one lady is there with the name Broad in between. Let us search the names John. No Johns. Okay, right, like this you can search William. So many Williams are there. Okay, I think John I written spelling wrong. I guess John. I think this is not. Yeah, this is the correct John spelling. So there are many Johns. Okay, so like this you can search a pattern in the string how it is matching. Okay, guys. So you can extract. This is very useful in practical scenario where a string is given to you. Then you can, based on your search, you can display the columns by searching the pattern in the string. Okay. Any questions in like? Clear, right? Then we'll go to next topic, that is generating new columns based on arithmetic operations on the columns. Okay. So you have to generate a new column by doing some arithmetic operations on the column. For example, age is there. Okay, I am displaying age and age plus 5 as a new age. Okay, you will get age and new age, right, guys? Whatever age is there, I am adding 5 to the age. So in the SQL, you can add some, you can do arithmetic operations with the column, numerical columns. Okay, not only age 5 plus 5, you can use multiplication also, right? You can use division also. Let's say age by 2. Okay, guys. So plus minus anything you can do. Age minus 5. Okay, so what is the practical use of this? For example, we have fair, right? So this you understood, right? Adding the minus plus into divisor to any numerical column. You can display the new column. Okay. What is the practical use of this? For example, you have fair, right? Ticket fare is there in our table. This is the ticket fare. You want to give the 10% as a discount. You have to calculate the 10% as a tax, let's say. Okay. So how you calculate fare to 10 by 100 as a tax. 10% you are calculating as a tax. So this is the practical use in the real-time scenarios. We'll use like this automatic operations. Okay. So this is the fare, guys, and this is the tax. Okay. So like this, whatever complex arithmetical formula you want to give, you can give. The simple formula, but you can give the complex formulas also. For example, you have year sales and you have the previous year sales. Then you can calculate the percentage growth with this formula. Okay. Like that, you can use any complex formula in the arithmetic operations. Okay, guys, any questions? So these are the arithmetic operations. Then we'll go to the next topic, string concatenation. So in Power BI also we have seen the concatenation, right? Here also we'll use a command called concatenate. Okay. Uh, in Power BI we'll use concatenate. Here we'll use concat. Okay. This is the formula. So I'm concatenating hello, right, and world. So this we have to give the new name, right? Let's say statement. Okay. Select concat hello world as a statement. So it will give the statement. Okay. So these are the two strings. If you want to combine one more string, you can put comma and you can give. Okay. Hello world, you can give comma here. And you can say here, how are you? So I'm concatenating three strings here. See the output. Hello world, how are you? Okay, like this n number of strings you can add in the concat. This is string concatenation. Okay. Any questions, guys, so far? Are you following? Like numerical columns, arithmetic operations, then string concatenation. Yeah, following, right? Easy, right? Then
Ashok,
we'll
actually, I
go
have
to,
one question.
yeah, tell me.
These arithmetical operation we can do in Power Query also, right? Why we need to do in SQL? After importing the data, we can do all these operations in Power Query, right? In transform data.
No, I am not relating Power BI and SQL. I am telling that I'm teaching SQL where you can do these operations. When you have a chance to do SQL and Power BI, then you can directly import in Power BI and do that.
Okay, okay.
Is your requirement.
Okay.
For example, you have SQL and Power BI both. Then you can do operations in SQL and import the data in Power BI, or import the data in Power BI and do in a Power BI.
Okay.
It
Actually,
is
that would be
your,
easy for us. Like we don't know about SQL, right?
yeah, that
Yes.
will be easy for you. Yes. So whichever you want easy, you can do that. Okay.
Okay, Ashok. Thank you.
Yeah. So next we'll go to distinct. Distinct is nothing but it will fetch the unique values from the table. Okay. For example, select distinct P class I am giving as a unique class, unique P class. Okay, from Titanic data set. Okay. So how many unique classes, P classes are there, guys? One, two, three, right? So three should get. So these are the unique P classes. Okay, understanding? So you can do order by P class. Ascending means you will get ascending, right? If you want to order P class by descending, you will get descending. Okay, these are the unique classes. For example, if you see here, let me cut this. Select the P class from Titanic data set, then this many are there, right? This many classes are there. But what are unique classes? You have to use the distinct to fetch the unique classes. This many classes are there, but they are all repeated, right? So what are unique classes? Then you have to display this, right? Then you will get the distinct classes. Okay. So that is called distinct, guys. Okay. Yeah. Then we'll go to the next command. So substring is very interested. It is equivalent to mid in the Power BI DAX. Okay. So let's see substring. Substring is nothing but extracting the substring from the main string. Okay. For example, select name. I want to extract some part of the name. Okay. Then I will use substring. Okay. Then name, comma, from first character, extract four characters from the substring, not substring, it is substring. Whenever you are using the keyword in the MySQL, then you will get the gray color. Okay. Substring name one comma as subname I'll give. Okay. Titanic data set. Guys, what I am doing? I'm taking the name, I'm displaying the name, and subname I am displaying. Subname, how I am calculating? I'm taking the name, and from first character, 4 characters I am displaying. Let's see the example, you will come to know. So this is the name from first character. What is the first character here? B. From there, you have to calculate 4 characters. BRAU. In the Cummings, CUMI. Right, guys? Are you following? So from first character, I'm extracting the characters. So you can give like that any characters. For example, I want to display characters from third character. Then what will be the output, guys? Can you tell for first name? What is the output? From third character, 4 characters. What is the first name output?
And AU and
Very good, correct. So like that, we can extract the characters from the string. Okay, you can extract the substring from the main string. Okay, guys, that is the substring. So it is like mid function in Power BI. Power BI will use the mid, right? Select the string, then starting position and ending position, number of characters. It's the same like here, substring in SQL. Okay. So what is the use of this substring? Let us see. You can, for example, I have given a date, order date column. Then you have to extract year, month, and date from this order date. Okay. Then how you do, guys? You can use the substring. Let us see. Okay. Select order date. Okay. Substring order date. Okay, guys, order date. So what you have to extract? You have to extract year. So year starting from first character, and you have to extract 4 characters from the first character, right? From 2 to 2021, right? So for that, how I'll write first character, then 4. Okay. As I will say year, right? Then same thing I'll copy, guys. Okay. Then for month what? From month where it is starting? Month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From sixth character, month is starting, and we have to fetch 2 characters from the sixth character, right? So say 6 and 2 as month, right? And the third one, date. So when date is starting, guys? Here it is starting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. From 9 to characters. Okay.